Funny how quiet can scream so loud. Empty rooms, no words allowed. She said her piece without a word, and now that it's all I've heard, it's the sound of her sighs, echoes of defiance. No slam door, no last line, just a hush of the end of time. Yeah, I live with the sound of her silence. Her perfume still floats in the air, like she's somehow still there. Every heartbeat hits like drums, but no melody ever comes. It's the sound of her silence. There ain't no stuff to violence. Your sign wrote, go out loud, just a hearse isn't in time. Yeah, I live with the sound of her silence. I trade the quiet for a fight, just to know she's still alive inside my mind. It's the sound of her silence, cold as the truth, soft as violence. Now it's me to see my pride in the quiet.